Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with this giant mouse Riv here with me for a maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, check out fablades.com to see if you have anything that you like on that website. Check out my Instagram, I don't know, enjoy the video. It's all for free, so let's get started and let's tackle this pivot, which is spinning with two T8 Torx bit screws. But you know what, let's just change my mind. Oh, look at that, that's also T8. That's fantastic. So we're gonna need two T8 Torx bit to take down this little fella right over here, which is kind of like looking like a mini biblio a little bit. I mean, it's a little bit different, but kind of reminiscent of that. So let's grab another T8 from this and let's just use, where is it? Here. There you go. So you're gonna need two T8 Torx bit screws. So one is gonna be on this side, and just make sure you're like, you see, I like to just press this down. The screwdriver is down, so it's kind of like a triangle, and so that nothing is moving. And then I just unscrew this side, and that's pretty straightforward. Keep it pinched, you never know. And then you can just open the blade like that and see if the knife just opens up like so. Beautiful. Very good. Nice Micarta scales. You got some grease that I'm seeing going on over here. And that is out. Pivot is out. Pivot is spinning. And now we are in business. So rubbing alcohol over here. Let's use this side. It's maybe a little bit cleaner, right? Something like that. Oops, that's a little bit too much. It's okay. There you go. Let's clean the inside. Let's clean the ball bearing, which are coated of a weird grease. That's interesting. And also here, clean the pocket lint to go into the crevices of this titanium frame lock. Vox Anso design. Elmax steel, stainless steel lock face insert. Couple of snail trails. Clean the tang, clean the pockets of these bearings, and clean also the blade. Why not? Here you go, guys, we are done. All right, we can take this scale over here, the pivot, which goes back like so, and the bearing like that, and some 10 weight nano oil, like 3 drops are enough. 1/2 of a drop of the 85 weight nano oil. That's what I like to do on this one. I don't know, let's try, let's see. Might work, might not work. And then you got your other bearing in with another, like, say 3 drops. Show side scale is in, like that. And you got yourself some of the blue Loctite, like so, to coat a little bit of the thread, and just to have this pivot in place like that. We're gonna tune it in a second. All right, and then check that everything is flush. Release the tension of the blade, and just screw in the handle screw number 1 and that second one, which is in. Nicely done. Happy to see a T8 in a small knife. All right, way off center because, yeah, I still have to tighten everything. So let's check this guy centering. Of course, it's spinning. So let's just do a little bit less, way off center. Let's just do like that. There you go. Now it is perfectly centered. You check for blade play, there is none. See, just it's a small blade, so but you see it falls under its own weight. You have to wiggle it. I mean, it's a tiny one. You can maybe spidey flick it, yeah. Nice utility knife, guys, for sure. I mean, it's pretty small, but it's looking good and working well. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.